Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to clear all notification in your ClickUp application. Maybe you want to clear all the notification of your ClickUp but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can clear all your notification in your ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you will be directed into this page. You can also see here below the home button icon, notification icon, search icon, and then the dotted icons. For today's video, you need to tap on this notification icon. And as you can see, you are here directed to your notifications. To clear all your notification, you simply have to do is to tap on these lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, there will be a pop-up options. As you can see, we have here all uncleared, mentions, assigned, and cleared. For this example, tap on clear all notification to clear all your notifications. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to clear all your notification and click apps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to clear all your notifications and click app, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.